Do you believe that people can dream about what's going to happen?
No.
Do you believe in the boogeyman?
No.
Then you won't mind cock-blocking this guy when I bring him out.
What?
You heard me. I grab the guy in my dream, you see me struggle, so you wake me up. We both come out, you whack the fucker, and we got him.
Are you crazy? Hit him at what?
You're the jock. You've got a baseball bat or something. Just meet me at my porch at midnight. Oh, and
Meanwhile?
whatever you do, don't fall asleep.